How to write promotional emails. These emails are the ones where you really make your money. Well, actually you really make your money when you build a strong relationship with your subscribers, but these promotional emails are where you collect the money. The secret to writing successful promotional emails is that the better your relationship is with your list, the easier it will be to promote something to them. If you have built a solid relationship with your subscribers by sending them free content and free gifts that are all high quality and valuable, then you have already created the trust necessary for them to be comfortable clicking through to your sales page and checking out the product you are offering. If you're sending subscribers to your own product pages, then they will be used to reading your style and personality, but if you're sending them to an affiliate product, then you need to tie them into your own credibility in your email. You see, if you're sending them to an affiliate offer created by someone they've never heard of before, you need to put their mind at ease and tell them that they can trust this person as well. So what you can do to tie in the affiliate offer with your own credibility with your list is by talking about how you have benefited from this product. Tell them about a problem you were having and how you struggled with this problem for a long time, before you found this product and used it for yourself. The product worked for you, so that's why you want to recommend that same product to your subscribers. Basically what you're saying is that this product is good enough for you, so it's good enough to share with your subscribers as well. Remember, your subscribers trust you, so if you recommend something, there's a good chance they're going to check it out. If you're promoting a product you've just created, then tell your subscribers that this is a new product and you want them to check it out. Keep it short and simple. Something else you can do if you are promoting a product that isn't new is to qualify the readers first. So you could write something like, "Do you want to learn how to create high-converting squeeze pages?" Then check this out, so you qualify people to ensure that only people who want to learn about this specific lesson will click through, which is going to mean your sales page converts at a much higher rate.